Alan's going to have.
Yeah, yeah.
Apple store?
If we missed it, we'll try better. Make a spot for me. Oh, my goodness. Give me action. You ready for red? Yeah.
Hey, like I've learned from you, Danielle, I take 2 at a time. Nice. I'll bring yours up next, okay?
So yeah, we got another one here.
What's up, everyone? That's she just hanging out at the car wash at a random bar in Utah.
Yeah, I'll make sure. We're going to do great today, I can already tell.
It's like a fairy tale.
Somebody like your money?
Steph takes money. And did you
I
get
do
one of our
take money.
calendars?
Or you can shove money in the girl. I don't care.
Oh, these are not even...
They're all. You can give a donation for them if you want.
And if you can find a marker, I'll even sign up for you.
The pictures are nice though because you can tear them off and like hang them up so you don't have to like keep it with the calendar, you know.
Steph, he's
What?
in a picture.
Hey, baby. Awesome puzzle. Thank you.
And if you can find us a marker.
Thank you. I have a marker.
And Chrissy's in there, and Danielle's in there, and Steph is
I
in
am there. I'm the witch. Do you want change back?
No.
We're tipping. Okay.
I'm lying back.
You're not sleeping. Silly Billy.
Here's your beverages, lady.
Oh, beverages have arrived.
And then Steph will sign. She is October.
I am. I'm the witch.
That's Danielle. So she'll sign for you.
Nice.
That's Christy.
Yeah.
And then that's Steph. And they're all signed for you.
Nice. Cool.
So just track them down, pull them aside.
I'm just going to hang these
All right.
on the side.
Okay.